Hi there, it's Melissa Daphnis of Your RV Dream. I'm here in my office, which is in the back of my RV. I'm living my RV dream, and I know that you have an RV dream that you'd like to reach. And I would like to invite you to come to my free workshop called Create Your RV Dream Vision. And on this workshop, we're going to talk about quite a few things on really creating the plan, really what's going to be the foundation of you being able to achieve your dream, to figure out exactly what it is, to be able to plan it. We're going to talk about clarifying exactly what your RV dream looks like. Everything from like what type of RV do you see yourself in? What type of lifestyle do you see yourself living? What do you see yourself doing? We're going to talk about all those variables and options. We're going to talk about the purpose. What is your purpose for living in an RV? Whether it's full-time or part-time, it could be either. But what is your purpose for wanting to do this? We live in a world of give and you shall receive. So if you want to receive your dream of living the RV lifestyle, what are you willing to give in return? You have to be able to give and receive. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about your vision. Like, what is it that you see? The whole thing is the vision workshop. So we're going to put it together in a vision so that you can actually see yourself living your RV dream. And that's part of how you achieve your RV dream, is actually being able to have that vision. We're going to talk about obstacles that might be in your way and how to blast through them, how to be able to get over them and through them, and that could include money, the money obstacle. We're going to talk about motivation, how to keep yourself motivated toward achieving your dream, because it's really important to keep yourself motivated, and part of that is creating this vision. So that's a big part. We're going to talk about planning. Once you create your vision, the next step is going to be planning how to make that vision and that dream come true. We're also going to talk about how to have the two most important things in achieving your dream, which I believe are confidence and clarity. Not just, oh, I wish I had this and I don't know how it's going to happen. We're going to talk about how to get you to envision yourself living your dream with confidence and clarity and not worrying about things that are in your way. We're going to talk also about a timeline and how it is you're going to be able to achieve your RV dream. It might not be easy. If it was easy, you'd be doing it already. But I can guarantee you that it is simple, and we can lay it out. We can lay out this process that's going to get you there. And a big part of that is creating your vision. So I look forward to seeing you on this workshop. I can't wait to work with you and help you out. This is going to be a live workshop. There's going to be a question and answer session. And we'll be on there. We'll all be working on our visions together. I also have my own vision that I want to work on. You know, I'm never satisfied with staying where I am. There's always a dream. There's always a goal. There's always something to keep you motivated to move forward. So of course I have another RV dream vision for myself. So we'll all be working on this together. I really look forward to it. The date and time of the workshop, of the free workshop, is listed below. Click on the link to register for it. You'll be signed up for it. You'll get reminders when it's about to happen. And I can't wait to see you there. I'm so looking forward to it. I'm so excited about this whole workshop and getting you to your RV dream. I want to see you out here on the road with me. I want to meet you one day in an RV park. I want to have beers and s'mores over a campfire and talk about how you got to live in your dream life. Can't wait for it. I'll see you there at the workshop. Click the button to register and I'll see you there. This is Melissa Daphnis from Your RV Dream. Bye for now.